Hey everybody, David Montelongo here with Sunrise Restoration. Welcome to my blog. Today I'm shooting a video at the future home of San Antonio Rose Tattoo. This is a house used to be used as a residential property. We actually got word that this small house was moved to this location many years back and was a residential home for many years, and it's now turned into commercial usage. And in fact, we're in Cibolo, Texas, and a lot of this area is really being converted, and Cibolo is really making strides. If you guys haven't visited Cibolo, you need to. Lots of neat restaurants and eateries and places to hang out. So this is the future home of San Antonio Rose Tattoo. And so what we've done is we're just going through and freshening up this old house. These old homes have this shiplap siding on the inside. And you know, the occupant really wanted to keep that classic feel. Had plywood ceilings, so we just freshened up the plywood ceilings with fresh paint, cleaned up the shiplap as much as possible. We're actually missing some shiplap in this area, and so brought some in and just patched it in, just because it's just really keeps with the style of the home and really looks classic. And so that's kind of what we've done here. Added lighting throughout. This is actually the area where the work will be performed. So this is the studio portion. And when you meet the artist, I mean, just, you know, he describes the area. He's going to have it full of artwork, painting. So this is really going to be a neat feel as a studio. When we come this way, this is the reception area. So we've gone through and put in new lighting, freshened up the paint. We're actually not going to refinish the floors, but we're going to clean them really good and get them ready so that carpets can be moved in and furnitures can be moved in. And we're going to get this the actual business will open in the month of March, from what I understand. Added our exit signs just to meet the commercial standards. Out front, an ADA ramp was put in. Something interesting that we didn't know we checked into, there's one bathroom on the house. We did some tile work in here, and we're gonna tile around the tub, existing tub surround. But the question was, you know, will we have to make this bathroom fully ADA compliant? And basically the ruling was, because we're spending under $50,000 to get this ready for commercial usage, that we didn't have to go through that whole process. So basically just freshening up the bathroom, new fixtures, new sink, commode, shower faucet, and tub surround with tile. When you come this way, this will be a lounge area. This room will be for lounge. So I think as folks are getting ready to get tattooed, if you've ever gotten a tattoo, because you have to take some time to mentally prepare yourself. So I guess this is the room where you do that and get ready for that. And then the kitchen and break room. So that's what we're doing. We do, I get asked frequently if we do commercial work, and our main work is residential remodeling. We do additions, we remodel kitchens, remodel bathrooms, we double the size of homes, outdoor patios, we do all kinds of things with the home, foundation repair, roof replacement, but we do light commercial. So this year we're actually starting off with this project as a light commercial project. And the next project that you guys will be seeing us on, and we'll shoot some blog video there, is the Canine Cafe, and that's in Helotes, Texas. And we're taking a similar story. We're taking a home, about a 3,000 square foot home, and we're turning that into a self-wash dog bath facility, as well as a full service grooming facility, as well as canine bakery, and just a really, really nice operating business. So the owner of that property already has, or the owner of that project already has other locations in San Antonio. So this Helotes location will be a new location. So if you guys have small commercial project, if you're a business owner and you're getting ready to move into a new space, you need to prepare a space, certainly give us a call. 210-683-8917. You can always visit our website at sunriserestorationna.com. And I hope you guys have a great day. Also, if you're looking for residential remodeling, kitchen, bathroom remodeling, room additions, outdoor patios, outdoor living rooms, outdoor kitchens, anything along those lines, give us a call. Send us a text, 210-683-8917. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk soon.